Hello everyone, welcome to Promine's AutoCAD tips and tricks. Today I'll be going over polar arrays and showing you guys what you can do with this tool. So starting off, we'll draw a circle. We'll make the radius 15 and then we'll draw another circle here and make the radius 5. Next thing we'll do is use the array command and then select your object. Press enter. It's going to ask you if you want a rectangular, path, or polar array. For this tip, we'll be doing polar. And then for the center point of the array, we'll use the bigger circle. Now here, as you can see, it's created 6 of them. You can change this by adding more or decreasing the number here at the top because it brings you to the array menu. And then if you want to change the angle in between them, you can make it 45, for example. In this case, it won't do it because they're supposed to be equally spaced. But say you have a fill angle of, say 90. So as you can see, once you change the fill angles, it'll recalculate everything for you. So here we'll just change it back to 7 and we'll change the fill angle to 360. And then for the rows, you can add, say 3 rows, and this is going to tell you the distance between them. So from here to here it's going to be 15. We'll make it a bit smaller, so like 7.5, and that'll change the total distance. It'll bring them closer together. You can also add levels, so this will change the number of repeats of the array that you have in the vertical. So it'll become like a 3D object. For levels, say we're going to put 4. Distance between levels, we'll put 5, and we'll set our base point to be the center of this circle. And then for the associative, this is if you want the entire array to be treated as one block. If you want each object to be separate, then you remove the associative option. So let's take a look at it from this angle, and as you can see here, we have many different levels. And this all started with this initial circle. So now the next thing to do is, if you want to get out of the array command and leave your arrays the way they are, is right click and then press on enter. So now you can see we've created our array and it's all as one object. So if we just select this circle, it'll select all of them. Now arrays can be used for a variety of different things. Usually they're most useful when you're doing repetitive drawings. So repetitive shapes within your drawing. So that concludes this week's AutoCAD tips and tricks. If you guys have any questions or suggestions for another topic, please send them to us through the comment section below. Thanks for watching.